Namaste guys, I hope so you're all doing great. So in this video, we are going to make this internal Geneva mechanism in SolidWorks. So here I open the part. So first thing you have to do is select the top plane, click on sketch. After that draw a circle as per your requirement. So I'm making a diameter of 200 mm, but you can make it as per your requirement. Okay, after that draw another circle. Let's say its radius is uh, 60 mm, and we need to draw some cone rectangles, or you can draw center rectangles as well. Okay, now go to fillet. Before I apply the fillet, let's give some dimensions to it. This is 12 mm, and from here to this point it is 60 mm. Now go to the fillet, give it a fillet radius of 6 mm. Okay, 5 mm. Click OK. Click OK. Now click on this trim entities, trim this line and this line as well. Trim this line. Now what you need to do is go here, click on circular pattern, select this point. Now select entities to pattern, select this sketch. So we are going to make a total of 4. So click OK. After that click on trim entities, trim these lines. So go to features, click on extrude it, extrude up to 10 mm, click OK. Now another part that is we are going to make is press first select this face, press Ctrl plus 8. Now we have to make another part that is basically going to inside of it. So we need to make something sure that it will fit properly and our mechanism work properly. So what we can do, so go to here sketch, select this face and click on sketch. Just I am making this mechanism first time, and I'm trying to do everything, for example, doing calculations and other works from scratch, everything from here. Okay, so what I want that my mechanism that is basically going to rotate, it fully rotates here. So what I can do is I can use 3 parameter circle. So basically I want that my circle cross here, here, and this point. Let's say, don't go too far. Okay, this one. So give it a diameter, let's say 60 mm. Yeah, 60 mm looks good. Now, what we need to do is go to smart dimensions. So it is 30 mm from here and 30 mm from here. Okay, and its dimension is 60 mm. Now, just I'm going to use it in my other part. Okay, remember, I'm making everything from scratch here. I doesn't know any dimensions. I doesn't see any dimension from the internet. I'm making myself from scratch everything. Okay, I'm doing the research part as well. For example, what should be the diameter of it. So first save this path, press Ctrl plus S and save it as wheel W. Let's say W. Click yes. Now click on file, new. Click on part. Click OK. Select the top plane again. Now click here, center point. Draw. Sorry. Click here. Click on circle. Draw a circle here. Let's say diameter is uh, 80 mm. Extrude it. Extrude as per requirement. 10 mm is okay. Select this face, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8. Now draw again a circle, but this time it is 60 mm. 60 mm diameter is right, we have used it before. Sketch dimensions, yeah, 60 mm. Yeah, so we are going to use it. So first what we need to do is press escape, select this line, make it construction geometry. Now draw a circle here. If you remember correctly that the slot is 12 mm. Okay, So let's make it 11 mm and extrude it to 10 mm. Click OK. Now press Ctrl S and now let's save it G, Geneva, or whatever you want. Now click here, click on. So let's first import these two parts. Okay. Now before I start this course, I highly recommend that you go check out the link in description for my free courses. First is for beginner at SolidWorks Advanced to SolidWorks Beginner to Advanced, in which you are going to learn about basics of SolidWorks, including 4 projects. It is totally, absolutely free of cost. So I highly recommend check it out. And the second course is Udemy paid course. It is basically about SolidWorks animation and motion analysis. I have explained everything in deep detail, so you can check out my course on Udemy. Link is in description. Now let's start with this uh, assembly. So first thing we have to do is click on this view on temporary axis. Just to know, I have explained all these shortcuts on my course, free course, okay, on my free course. So I highly recommend that you can check out link in description. So first thing I have to do is I have to make them. So first select the front plane, right click on it, sketch, press Ctrl plus 8, draw a simple center line and escape, click OK. Uh, Click on mates, select this line and this line, click OK. Select this face and select the top plane, click OK. Now select this face, select the front plane. As you can see, I'm getting the error. So the reason is that whatever the first part that is important SolidWorks, it is always fixed. So right click on it, click on float. Now I can move it. So click on here, select this face, select the front plane, give it a distance of 30 mm, click OK. Select this face, select the right plane and give it a distance of 30 mm. If you remember correctly, I have explained why they are 30 mm. Remember this sketch? Yep, that's what I'm using. Now select this face, select this, go to mate, select this face and this face, click OK. And one more thing, I have added some fillets here, okay, simple fillets, nothing else. So select this face, press Ctrl plus 8. Now I need to do animation here. So what I can do is go to SolidWorks add-in, click on motion and motion studies. If I try to use animation, it will not work properly. Just to know, I'm just showing for educational purposes and click on calculate. You see it is not working. So that's the reason we don't use animations. We normally use motion analysis for better results. Click on contact, use of contact, select this one and click on this and select this one, click OK. Now go to the back, click on here, click on edit feature, less 20 rpm is okay, yeah, and click on calculate. I guess we have done some other, click on it, first go back, right click on it, click on edit feature, reverse direction, click OK, click calculate. Yep, it's working now. So you can make it in that way, okay. So increase this timeline to 8 seconds, calculate.